What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Just wanted to go over this little package unit here. It's a Mcquay package unit and a rooftop unit, whatever you want to call it. And there's a pretty simple unit. We're doing the maintenance, but I just kind of want to go over operation with y'all and show you how this unit operates here. So not much to it. You have your blower contactor, compressor 1, compressor 2. Just so you guys know, I have the power off right now. I was just checking a few things, but so it's not doing anything. But you do have a small control board here with your thermostat wires. Then you got a smoke detector. I'm assuming one of these is going to be smoke detector. Let's take a quick look and see how they got this. So these two are power something. This is powering something because you got it on R and common. So it's sending 24 volts possibly to your smoke detector, and then you're breaking it with these two wires here. Anyhow, pretty simple unit to work on. Well, I was just going to show you guys what I like to do during the maintenance is obviously I like to do a visual check on the system before anything. Just walk the system, make sure you don't have any burnt connections, any other issues there, and then take a look at and this is one reason why I like to do that visual. If you come over here with me and you look at this condenser fan motor, which one is that one right there? I'm not sure if you guys can really see it or not, but it's got a pretty decent crack right on the blade. So things like that, you know, are things we look for. If that blade is to break off, I mean the crack goes almost all the way halfway through. If it breaks off, that thing's going to go flying. It could damage this coil and cause your customer a lot more larger repair issues here. So yeah, I mean that's what we're doing the maintenance for, is just to keep up with their equipment and make sure they don't get as much downtime or unit failures. This blade here looks pretty good. I like to go ahead and hit them with a screwdriver just to make sure that they're spinning freely and not locked up or anything like that. I like to look at the compressors, look at the plugs, make sure we don't have any terminal blowouts or plug is not getting damaged or burnt. Look at the condenser coils, which that one's pretty dirty. This side here is not as bad on the front side there. I do like to, of course, look at the belt, make sure your belts are good. Try to get your finger in there and check your sheave and make sure your sheave is doing pretty good here. You don't have any grooves in it or any scoring in it. Check belt tightness, which this one's pretty good. I do like to make sure I don't have any oil stains anywhere. I do really like how they have the service ports here in the front. That makes it really nice. You don't have to pull any panels off to gauge up to it if you need to. High pressure switches, the reset buttons at least, right there as well. There goes your high pressure switch there. Low pressure switch back there. And it's a pretty simple unit to work on, and like I said, I just like to go over it all in general and just make sure we don't have any issues or anything kind of just really stands out. Electric heater, which is one of the main things that get burnt connections on. It's pulling so many amps, so it's one thing that we always look for. So not so much here where I live because it stays pretty warm most throughout the year, but I'll hardly ever run the heater. But right now it's starting to get a little cool like it is everywhere else, so we definitely want to make sure that heater works, so we'll jump it out. I prefer to jump it out up here than have to go down and kick it on in the thermostat. So other than that, guys, that's it. I do check temperature split. If I have a 20-degree delta, then I'm not going to gauge up on the unit. If I see something out of range or something really out of the ordinary on my delta T, then I'll go ahead and then gauge up on the unit and see if we can come to see if we can see any issues there, come up with a solution for that. So other than that, guys, it's a pretty simple unit. I just wanted to show you guys what I work on and what I see daily, as well as other things. So I will keep on posting. Hope you guys like the video, and just give a thumbs up and a subscribe, and that'll be great. And keep them coming. All right, thank you guys.